Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to start a second chapter, that is nouns. Okay. In this chapter we are going to discuss noun and its various types on the basis of gender and number also. So first of all, you should be clear about the definition of noun. We have already read about the parts of speech in our earlier classes, right? And we know that noun is one of the 8 parts of speech. Noun is also a part of the 8 parts of speech. It is also one part of that 8 parts of speech. Okay. And you also know that noun is a naming word. We have read in our earlier classes that noun is a naming word. The name of a person, place, an action, animal, thing, quality or feeling is called noun, right? Here you can see a noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, a feeling or an idea is called noun. So for examples of a person, Ria, Nita, whatever you can write, William Shakespeare, Rabindranath Tagore. Name of a place like Kolkata, Silchar, Badarpur, right? These are nouns. An animal, dog, cow, cat, anything you can say. A feeling, happiness, sorrow. These are names of feelings. An idea like greatness. Okay, and these things are quality. Name of some qualities like fame, greatness. So these are examples of nouns, right? So now let's discuss the kinds of noun. Nouns can be classified into 5 kinds. Okay, there are 5 classifications of noun. Earlier we have read about 4 classifications, right? And now we got 5 classifications. So what are they? First one is the name of a particular person, place, monument or building is called a proper noun. Right? Our first classification is proper noun. And what is a proper noun? The name of a particular person, place, monument or building is called a proper noun. Any particular name, okay, which is not common or not in general for everyone. It's a particular name of a person or place or animal. Okay. So what are the examples? Florence Nightingale, Mumbai, Howrah Bridge. So look at the examples. These examples. These are the names of particular things. Like Florence Nightingale. There is only one Florence Nightingale. Okay. Mumbai. Only one Mumbai we know. Right. It's a particular name of a place. Howrah Bridge. It's the name of a bridge. Okay. Only bridge is not a proper noun. Howrah Bridge. We are talking about a particular bridge, right? So this is particular names of some place or building or monument or person. Then it will become proper noun. For more examples, you can say like when we say that Raj is a good boy, then we are talking about a particular boy whose name is Raj, right? And when we say Kolkata, so then it's a name of a particular place, right? So these names, these are the names of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Then it will become a proper noun. And look at the token. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Okay, we know that we write the names of person, place with a capital letter. So proper nouns are the particular names of a person, place, right? So proper nouns are written with a capital letter. We do not use a or n or the before proper nouns. Okay, we cannot write a and the, right? Articles. We cannot use articles before the name of a person, place, right? Then we cannot write a or n or the before a proper noun. Articles are not used before proper noun. Okay. If you write an article, it will become common noun. We'll discuss it. The name of our next classification is common noun. The name of a person, place or building in general is called a common noun. For example, man, city, monument. So look at that. When we talk about a person or place or building in general, which is common, right? Which is common. We cannot identify a particular person or animal or place by the name. Then it will become a common noun. Okay, a particular name is for proper noun, and when it is a general name and we cannot recognize about whom it is talking, then it will become common noun. For example, men. Okay, we know men, but which man it is talking about, we don't know. City, we know what is city, but which city? Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, which city it is talking about? It is not clear here. Okay, it is not specifying any particular city. Then it is a common noun. Like monument, we know monument, but which monument? Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, which monument it is talking about? It is not clear. So it's a common noun. Okay. For more examples are like boy, girl. Okay, these are the examples of common noun. Next one is the name used for a collection of people, animals, birds or objects is called a collective noun. So our next classification is collective noun. So what do we mean by collective noun? The name used for a collection of people, animals, birds or objects is called a collective noun. Collection of people means group of people. When you get a word which means a group of people or animal or bird or object, okay, which means any group of people, animal, birds or things, then it will become a collective noun. Okay, collective noun means talking about a group of something. Okay, a group of something, some people together, some things together, or some birds, some animals together, and we use a word for the group. Okay, these words are called collective nouns. Okay, for examples, flock. Flock means झांक, पाखिर झांक. So कुछ animals एक साथ. Okay, herd means झुंड, जानवरों का झुंड. Okay, so these are also by herd we mean that some animals together, right? So family, by the word family means some persons living together, okay, and they have relationships, right? So some persons, here we get some persons, a group of people. So these words which mean a group of people or a group of animal or a group of things together, then it will become a collective noun. Clear? Next one is abstract noun. The name of an idea, a concept, a state of being or a feeling is called an abstract noun. The name of an idea, okay, an idea, a concept, a state of being. State of being means a thing, how it is. Okay, state of being, like how it is. जो जैसा है, कैसा है. Okay, this one is state of being. Or a feeling, name of a feeling is called an abstract noun. For example, beauty, trust, pain, kindness. So look at the examples and look at the definition that we cannot see these things like idea, concept, the name of an idea or concept or a state of being or feeling. We cannot see these things. We can only feel the things, right? We cannot see or touch these things. Abstract nouns cannot be seen or touched. They can only be felt. For example, beauty. Okay, can you see or touch beauty? No, right? So these are abstract nouns. The name of an idea, any concept, any feeling. Okay, these are known as abstract nouns. For more examples, you can say happiness, freedom, misery, luxury, sorrow, right? So these words which can be felt but cannot be seen or touched and can be understood, right? So these words are abstract nouns. These names are abstract nouns. The name of an idea, concept, a state of being, or a thing, how is it is, and a feeling, a name of a feeling, then it will become a abstract noun. The name of our next classification is material noun. The name of the substance or matter from which a thing is made is called a material noun. For example, silver, wood, paper. Material noun. So basically material nouns are the names of those things or those materials which are used to make another thing. Okay, the things which are used to make another things are called material nouns. For example, silver. Silver is used to make silver is a substance, is a matter, right? It is used to make all ornaments. Wood is used to make furnitures, right? Paper is used to make different things, copies, books, right? So the things which are used to make a thing, make another thing, the materials which are used to make a thing, it's called material noun. Clear? So we got that the names are nouns. Okay, the name of particular person, place, or thing is called proper noun. The name of a person or thing in general or as common, used as common, then it will common noun. And the name of a collection or a group of some people, animal, or birds, or things, then it will become a collective noun. And abstract noun means the name of any idea, concept, or state of being or feeling. The name of a feeling is called abstract noun. And the material noun means the materials or the things which are used to make another thing is called material noun. Okay, the materials or the things which are, or the substance or the matter which are used to make a thing, then is called a material noun. So nouns can be also classified in terms of gender. Okay, in terms of gender, on the basis of gender, we can classify the nouns as in the four grounds. There are four genders in the English language. First one is, nouns are said to be in the masculine gender if they refer to males. For example, grandfather, uncle, tiger, peacock. Look at that. First one is masculine gender. First gender is masculine gender. Masculine gender talks about male. Okay, male, admi, purush. Nouns are said to be in the masculine gender if they refer to a male. When you get a noun and it refers to a male, किसी आदमी या पुरुष जाति का बोध हो, then it will become masculine gender. For example, grandfather. Grandfather is a male, right? Admi. Uncle, tiger, peacock. So these are the words which are denoting male. Okay, men. Then it will male category. Then it will become masculine gender. Next one is feminine gender. Nouns are said to be in the feminine gender if they refer to females. Okay, opposite to the masculine gender, the nouns which refer to females, स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाले शब्द. Okay, for examples, grandmother, aunt, tigress, peahen. Okay, tiger is male and tigress is female. So tiger is masculine gender and tigress is feminine gender. Okay, peacock is male and peahen is female. So peacock is masculine gender and peahen is the feminine gender. Okay, so next one is common gender. Nouns of the common gender denote both the masculine and the feminine gender. For example, parent, leader, cousin, child, doctor. When you get a noun and you cannot identify, it is talking, you cannot identify, you cannot specify a particular gender, means feminine gender or masculine gender, you find that it is a common gender. It can be a male also and female also. आदमी भी हो सकता है, पुरुष आदमी भी हो सकता है, औरत भी हो सकती है. तो इस तरह के जेंडर को क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन जेंडर. ओके, कॉमन जेंडर. जैसे कि पेरेंट, पेरेंट इट कैन बी माँ और फादर ऑल्सो. It can be your mother or father also. So leader, we don't know, it is talking, it is a girl or a boy, a man or a woman. Okay, so cousin, child, doctor, we cannot identify whether it is a male or female, right? It can be a male or female female also. So these types of gender is called these types of nouns are called common gender. Got that? Next one is neuter gender. Nouns of the neuter gender are neither of the masculine gender or nor the feminine gender. Okay, neuter gender means the nouns which are not of masculine gender and neither of masculine gender nor the feminine gender. means ना औरत समझ में आएगा ना मर्द. ठीक है, आदमी या औरत का फर्क नहीं बता पाएंगे तब हम. तो मस्क्यूलिन जेंडर है या फेमिनिन जेंडर है पता नहीं चलता. ओके, द नाउन्स विच neither identifies any masculine gender or feminine gender, then it will become a neuter gender. For example, table, book, torch, pen. So can you identify the gender of these things? No, we cannot identify the gender of these things. Then it will become a neuter gender. Okay, nouns of the neuter gender are usually non-living things, right? So look at the things, these are non-living, no? So the nouns neuter gender are normally non-living. Table, book, torch, pen, these are non-living, right? So nouns of the neuter gender are usually non-living things. Got that? So now nouns can be also classified on the basis of number. Okay, in English we say noun may be either singular or plural in number. We know about singular and plural number. Singular number and plural number, we have read it earlier, that the singular form of noun denotes one person, place or thing. For example, chair, torch, knife. Okay, we know about singular noun and plural noun, right? Singular noun means it means one thing or place or thing, person. When we talk about one person, place or thing, then it will become a singular noun. For example, chair, torch, knife. Okay, these are the singular forms of the nouns. Okay, then what is plural form? The plural form of noun denotes more than one person, place or thing. For example, chairs, torches, knives. So look at that examples. Plural form of noun means when you talk about more than one person, okay, or place or thing, then it will become a plural noun. Okay, plural form of noun. What are the examples? Chairs. Chair, singular noun. Chairs. When we talk about more than one chair, then it will become chairs, right? Then torch, torches. Plural form is torches, singular form is torch. Singular form is noun, knife, and plural form is knives. Knife, knives. Okay. And nouns, so these are the classifications of noun on the basis of number, right? Singular or plural number. Now, nouns can also be classified as countable or uncountable. Okay, there are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Noun can also be classified on the basis of they can be counted or not. Right? There are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So what are they? A countable noun denotes that which can be counted. For example, we say one girl, 10 boys, 2 apples. We usually add one of the article a, n or the or a number before countable nouns. Look, countable nouns, by the name countable, we can understand that countable means which can be counted. Okay, so the nouns which can be counted, जिन्हें गिना जा सके, will be countable nouns. Okay, like one girl, 10 boys, we can count girl and boys and apples, right? We can count them. So these are known as countable nouns. We add one article a, n or the or a number like 1, 10, 2 or a, n or the. We can use these words for before the noun, or a name or a number before the countable nouns. Look at the countable noun girl. Before the countable noun girl, they have written one girl, right? They can write numbers, or we can write numbers or a, n, the articles before the countable nouns. Okay. Now, an uncountable noun refers to things that cannot be counted. Okay, uncountable, so cannot be counted. The nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay. For example, news, tea, salt, glass. Can you count these things? No, na? So these are uncountable nouns. We do not use a or n with uncountable nouns. We cannot write a. We cannot we cannot use the words an or the before the uncountable nouns. Okay. However, we can say a cup of tea or a pinch of salt, but we can use some words with the uncountable nouns like a cup of tea. Okay, we have a measurement, we can use some measurement type of words before the uncountable nouns. Clear? So now abstract nouns such as pride, love, friendship, peace and comfort are also uncountable nouns. Okay, can you count pride, love, friendship, peace, comfort? These types of abstract nouns, these are abstract nouns, right? These are qualities, feelings and name of idea, right? Name of a feeling. Then these are abstract nouns. So abstract nouns are also called uncountable nouns, can also be written as, are also known as uncountable nouns. However, sometimes they can also have a plural form. For example, hardships, pleasures, memories, decisions, vacancies. Okay, so these are the words can be written. There are also some abstract nouns which can be written in a plural form, right? Hardship is abstract noun and the plural form of the word hardship is hardships. Like pleasure, the plural form is pleasures. Memory, the plural form is memories. So these types of words which can be also written as plural. These types of abstract nouns can also be written in plural forms. Clear? So there are some extra notes or extra things which we should remember while reading English grammar. So these are important. Go through them. So students, we have completed the chapter nouns and its classifications. So we have learned about the definition of noun, its classifications, their definitions and their uses, their meanings, their examples, and also the classification of noun on the basis of gender and number, and also some important notes. Okay, and countable and uncountable nouns, and there are some more extra formulas you can say, or some extra notes regarding the uses of the nouns. So I hope you are all clear about that, and if you have any problem then please contact me. The class is over right now. Thank you.